Hi, I'm George Einters, Applications Engineer here at Panduit. I'm excited to announce the release of our new 45-degree angled up-down field term plug. This new design will allow accessibility to end devices that our straight field term plug may not have been able to access. In addition, we are releasing a new termination tool. This violet-colored tool will be used in the termination of our 45-degree angled field term plug in addition to our straight field term plug. How will we be using these field term plugs in the field? Let's look at our first application of using a field term plug. A wireless access point where the port is readily available. A straight field term plug plugs into the port. You are complete. A second application. Another wireless access point, but the port is embedded a little deeper inside the device itself. It would not be accessible to a straight field term plug. However, with the smaller form factor of the 45-degree angled up-down field term plug, I am now able to access that port without issue. No obstruction to the plug, no obstruction to the cable. There are applications that you will find in the field where field term plugs will not work. However, Panduit offers a solution for those also. This particular security camera has a port embedded deep within the device itself. The port is not accessible to a field term plug. However, using our 28 gauge patch, we are able to access the port using the typical structured cabling. I then take my patch cord, plug it into a TG jack. Installation has been completed. With all of these applications, we have the solution. Whether it is our straight field term plug, whether it is a deeply embedded port that we will use our 28 gauge, or the new 45-degree angled up-down field term plug, we have the answer. I'm George Einters with Panduit.